Hi Year 3 and welcome to our spelling test this week. So this week I'm testing you on your words. They are the E-A words, but they sound out L. So they are that short sound, not that long E sound where I want to keep that short but it's E-A. So that's a big clue for all of your spellings. As ever, if it's easier for someone in your family to test you on your spellings, the list's on Shobi. But otherwise, there's 10. So have a piece of paper and a pencil, and I'll do the first 10 for you. If you're just joining the video to find out about the next spelling, we'll just whiz through probably about a minute, and you'll hear that. And I'll also just explain the grammar exercise from your CGP doorstep pack, what you need to do for today. Okay, so the spellings for today. Number 1, head. Number 2, deaf. Sorry, I can't hear you. I'm a little bit deaf. Number 3, lead. The lead in my pencil broke. Number 4, instead. Number 5, read. I read a great book. It was brilliant. Number 6, bread. It was delicious bread we had this morning for our toast. Number 7, dead. Number 8, spread. Number 9, dread. And number 10, ahead. We must all look ahead to the exciting future that awaits us. Okay, so they are our spellings for this week. So next week's rule, it's another prefix. So remember, a prefix is the group of letters that we pop onto the front of a root word. And often it changes the meaning of that root word. Quite often it will make the root word mean the opposite of something. And this week's prefix we're looking at is miss, M-I-S, miss. So if I said the root word is understand, if I add the prefix miss onto the front, it would be I misunderstand. So I understand my spellings. If I put miss on the front, I misunderstand. Okay. There are lots of words, actually, quite a few that you could do. So in your Garfield spelling booklets, you've got the grid to fill out. So you can see, oh, there you go. Yes, understand, misunderstand. Trust, with the prefix, it would become mistrust. This one's given you the prefix on the front. If you can see, it's a bit blurry. Misjudge. So if we took the prefix off, the root word would become judge. So you've got the grid to fill in as normal. Think as many words as you can, that you can start with a root word and then add the miss in front. And then the activity this week is a word search. And don't forget, if you're really stuck, these words can help you with the grid on the page before. Okay? We're not trying to trick you out. It's just seeing what you can think of. So that's that. And then to help you a little bit, just to go over, revise some of our prefixes that we've done already, in our CGP books, page 68 and 69, we're looking at the prefixes of un, dis, and miss. So we've looked at these already, and now we're looking at miss as well. So it's a bit of help for our spellings for next week, but also just a bit of revision of the ones we've already done. So looking at the introduction, which just talks about what a prefix is, which we already know, so that's fine, but it's useful just to read it through. And then you're splitting the words into their prefix and their root word. So unknown would become the prefix and the root, so un and known. And then it talks through about whether you'd add on un, dis, or miss, and decide for yourself, and then write the word in full. And then underlining the words that have got the wrong prefixes, so you're being the teacher. Drawing the lines from the prefix to the correct root word, so you're choosing which one, and then writing the words in the box here, and then complete the words in the sentences using un, dis, or miss. Okay, so that's just a bit of revision about prefixes generally, and a bit of extra for help for learning our spellings ready for next week. And that's spellings and grammar for this week. Okie dokes, take care.